hi, Mima. Stop pushing the button. What's she doing? Making dinner, huh? What's she making?
Dinner.
White lady enchiladas.
Face.
Let's look at the boy. You want to see yourself?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say, look at my Buzz and Woody shirt, huh? Right there. Let's see it. Oh, very nice. You gonna look over here? Can you see yourself?
Oh.
Oh, you want to show him the shirt? Let's see what we're showing. Oh, did she? That was a while ago.
Face.
Record Mama. Don't push the button. Don't push the button.
She was going by Smith.
Hi. Changed it back a while ago. Hi. Hang on, let's zoom out a bit, huh? How do you zoom? There it is. It got your nose. Let's wipe it off.
Destiny has one of my...
They're on the table. Go record Buzz.
Hi. Face.
You taking a picture of Buzz?
Yeah.
You back up a little bit. Yay, you got Buzz.
Find it. Find.
We're recording now. You weren't recording the whole time.
Harry. 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 Papa. Papa.
What?
Say, happy birthday, Mima. Say it. Say, I love you. No, say, I love you too. No. Look, we're going to record Mimi. Say hi. No, you don't. Charlie, stop grabbing stuff. Let's go of that.
That's right.
Look. Isn't she so cute? We'll do it like this. Say, happy birthday, Mima.
No.
But it's her birthday tomorrow. Okay, you record Mom.
Tired.
Stop moving that crap, Charlie. Just say, love you. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Give a kiss. Right there. Mwah. Say, I hope you have a good birthday. Should we sing happy birthday?
Yeah.
Say, happy sing. Happy birthday to you. You're being nasty. Okay, I'm turning it off. I'm turning it off because you're being a terrible kid. Say bye.
No.
Bye.
No.
Say hi to Mima. Say look what I'm doing, Mima. Show her what you're doing on the computer. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're playing the shooting game, huh? Say happy birthday. Say, look at what I made, Mima. Show her. Here, take it. Show her the front. Turn it around so we can see. Hold it up. What does that say? It says happy birthday, Mima, huh? Open it up. Let's see what you made. Open it. Is it tricky? Did you get it? Alright, what did we make? Oh, there's Mima. And there's Charlie's hand. And there's some clouds down there. And Charlie drew his name. And Mama had to make flowers, so Charlie would color too. That's Charlie's flower right there. Is it so pretty?
Yeah.
Pretty like Mima, huh?
Mommy.
Look at me. Say, Mima, you're pretty.
Mama, happy.
Say, Mima, I love you.
Happy.
Say, Mima, you're the best Mima. Say it. The best Mima. Say it.
Best. Mama.
Say, I'm sorry I'm a stink.
Mommy, he's sick.
Say, I hope you have a good birthday, huh?
Bye-bye.
Yeah. And give her a kiss. Right there. Mwah. That's so nice. You gonna sing the ABCs? Yeah? Okay, sing ABCs. Oh, very good. Count to 10. Start with 1. 1. 16. 4. 5. What's after 6? Then 7. You know how to count to 10. Go ahead. Mm-hmm. What's after 8? 9. 2. 10. What's after 10? 11. What's your favorite number, Charlie? Don't go over there. Stay over here. What's your favorite number? Say 14. 14's my favorite number, huh? What's your favorite letter? It's the cookie letter, huh? C. Where are you going? Okay, are you ready now? Calm down. Alright, say, Mima, I'm 2. Yeah, guess how... Are you 2?
Yeah.
How old is Mima?
Mama.
She's going to be 47?
Yeah, Mama.
I think she's going to be 48.
Yeah,
I asked her this morning, but I can't remember. But that's a lot, huh?
Mama.
Say, hi, Mima.
Hi, Mama.
What are you doing with your feet over here? Get those out of there. Say, Mima, we're going to have cake. What else are we going to have? Happy birthday? Is that what we're going to have? Are we going to have presents? Is there going to be... Would you speak English, please? Is there going to be candles? What do you do when you light the candles? You sing happy birthday to you. Huh? And then what? You're not speaking English, Bubba. And then you go, oh! What do you do? Oh! You blow them out, huh? You blow all the candles out. Are you going to help me and Mom blow all the candles out? It's going to be so... And then we're going to eat, huh? And maybe ice cream. Back up, please. And maybe ice cream, too, huh?
Oh, yeah,
Oh, yeah. When Papa's around, there's going to be ice cream, huh? Speak English. Say words. Yeah. What are we doing right now?
Huh?
We're waiting for Tata to come home. Where's he at? At school, huh? And what are we doing today?
Huh?
Are we cleaning?
Yeah,
Are you helping Mom with laundry? What do we do with the laundry? Talk English! Talk English! What are you even saying? I'll pinch your bum. I'll pinch your bum. What's Mimi doing? You don't... She's awake. Do you hear her? Let's go see her. Come on. Show me Mom Mimi. Come on. Say, come on, Mima. Don't look at our dirty house. Say, who's in there? Huh? Mimi, huh? There she is. Look, her little leg is stuck out of the crate. Oh, there it is. Oh, she's a crane. She's probably just looking for her milk, huh? Here you go, Memes.
Boys try. The boys try?
Boys, try the camera?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Hi, Mimi.
That's it. Yeah.
Hi.
That's it.
Say happy birthday, Mima. Oh, you're too sweet.
Again.
Yeah, let's go out. Mimi might go back to sleep. Come on.
Mama says sit.
Mama's gonna sit and you're gonna try it? Okay, you hold it. Hi, can you see me?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Mom!
Happy birthday, Mom.
That's Mima to you.
Mama. Yeah.
Are you gonna ask me some questions?
Yeah, Mama.
You gotta speak English though.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hey.
Come here, why don't you come sit with me?
Alright.
Come here. Come sit on my lap.
Picture?
Right here.
No. Let's try this. Let's picture.
No.
Let's try.
Okay, we're gonna end this, I think. Because you're boring.
First.
You got nothing to say.
Let's try.
See, we're not wearing
Okay.
sheets
Okay.
on the bed.
Let's try.
Okay, say bye-bye, Mima.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Say I love you.
Love you.
Hey, look at me. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay, bye.